Okay, so simplify each expression, show all your work. The first one, square root of 27. We're going to break it up into two factors. I'm going to choose 9 and 3. 9 because it is a perfect square. Square root of 9 is just 3, so we get 3 square root of 3, and that's your answer. Number 2, square root of 72. I'm going to break that up into 9 times 8. Square root of 9 is 3, and I get 3 square root of 8. However, it's not in the answer bank, and that's because it's not all the way simplified. So we have to further simplify this 8. Break it up into 4 times 2. Square root of 4 is 2, of course, so 2 times 3 is 6, and we get 6 square root of 2 as the answer. Okay, number 3. I'm going to break up the 800 into something that's a perfect square, maybe 108. 100 times 8. Square root of 100 is 10, so 10 times 5 is 50. And then we're left with 50 square root of 8. Square root of 8 can be broken up 4 times 2. So 2 times 50 is 100, and we get 100 square root of 2. And that's our answer. Number 4, I need to get rid of the radical in the denominator, so I'm going to multiply by square root of 5 over square root of 5. Get 3 square root of 5 over 5. And at that point, I'm done. For number 5. So breaking this up, square root of 1 over square root of 6. That simplifies to 1 over square root of 6. Then to get rid of this radical, I need to multiply by square root of 6 over square root of 6. 1 times square root of 6 is just square root of 6, and then square root of 6 times square root of 6 is 6. And that's all you can do. Okay, for number 6, looking at it, yes, I need to get rid of this radical as a denominator, but I'm going to do that after I start simplifying. So 2 square root of 3, 48, 16. It can be divided by 16, and 16 is a perfect square. So 16 times 3 equals 48. Then we get 2 square root of 3 over 4 square root of 3. The square root of 3's cancel. We're left with 2/4, which, as we know, simplifies to 1/2. So our answer here is 1/2. Number 7, breaking up those, 4 times 3 and square root of 9 times 2. Square root of 4 is 2, so I get 2 square root of 3 and 3 square root of 2. I was hoping something would cancel, but it's not. So at this point, I'm going to multiply by square root of 2 over square root of 2 to get rid of this square root of 2 in the denominator. Get 2 square root of 6 over 3 times 2 is 6. Then simplify this, divide by 2 to get 1, divide by 2 to get 3, square root of 6 over 3. I'm making this look way easier than it actually is. Okay. 8. I'm going to break up the square root of 8 at the bottom first. So I get 5 square root of 2, and then 3 square root of 8, I'm going to break it up as 4 times 2. Then 5 square root of 2 over square root, so 2 times 3 is 6, so I'll get 6 square root of 2. And then these cancel, and we're just left with 5/6. Okay, number 9. I'm going to simplify the square root of 12 first. Two square root of 3 over square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10, so I get 10 square root of 3. These cancel each other out. We're left with 2/10, which simplifies to 1/5. And last but not least, the grand finale, number 10, and it is kind of complicated. Okay, I'm going to start by simplifying this top part. 2 times 3 is 6. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is just 4. I don't know if you guys caught that. Wait, square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2, sorry. Square root of 4, which comes out to 2. I'll leave it like that for right now. Okay, so square root of 4 is just 2, so 6 times 2 over 4 square root of 6. So we get 12 over 4 square root of 6. I might simplify this, divide this by 4 to get 3, divide this by 4 to get 1. So now I have 3 over square root of 6. Then get rid of the square root of 6 on the bottom. And then I need to simplify the 3/6. So divide by 3 to get 1 and divide by 3 to get 2. And we're left with square root of 6 over 2. And that's it. Okay, so that was it. Let me turn this off.